I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your ESIM to a new iPhone can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your new iPhone is compatible with ESIM. Most recent models support this feature, but it is good to double check. Step 2. Back up your old iPhone. Before starting the transfer, back up your old iPhone to iCloud or your computer. This ensures you don't lose any important data during the process. Step 3. Remove ESIM from old iPhone. Go to Settings Cellular, select your ESIM plan and tap Remove Cellular Plan. This will deactivate the ESIM on your old device. Step 4. Set up ESIM on new iPhone. On your new iPhone, go to Settings Cellular, add Cellular Plan. You will need to scan the QR code provided by Bell or enter the details manually. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once the ESIM is added, confirm that it is activated by checking the cellular settings. You should see your plan listed and active. If not, restart your phone. Remember, if you run into issues, Bell's customer support can help with the activation process. Enjoy your new iPhone.